Hey guys, welcome back to the Bimmerdude Channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I want to talk about something really important regarding the Bimmerdude Channel. You don't want to miss out, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so today I want to talk to you guys about something that's coming to the channel. It's a possibility and I want your guys' opinion. You guys are follow individuals on YouTube. You know that a lot of YouTubers are giving vehicles away on their channels. You can watch Adam LZ. He's currently working on something pretty secretive. He hasn't told us what it is for the giveaway car. I think TJX did one as well. And I know that Calvin's Garage and Motion Auto, they have all done something similar to this. So I want to throw my hat into the ring and I want to get y'all's opinion. Being that this is the Bimmerdude Garage, I wanted to give you guys an opportunity to join in on the action as well. We're just about at 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate all you guys. Y'all's loyalty means the world to me. And because of that, I want to keep this pace going and take the channel to the next level. And I believe I can do that by doing a giveaway build. So guys, what do you think about a concept like that? Now, obviously, I'm talking to you guys about this because I have an idea in mind. I wanted to run this by you guys. I'm thinking about doing this with or without y'all's recommendation, just because it's something I would like to try. I want to give this a shot. We can try this in the next month or so and see how it goes, and maybe this might be something that I continue to do on the channel. Unfortunately, my current finances don't allow me to give away something like the Mini Cooper or buy a Mini Cooper just to give it away for that matter, but I have something that's the next best thing, and a lot of you BMW guys might be interested in. I want to show you guys what I found. I found this 1996 BMW 318 Ti. If you guys aren't familiar with the 318 Ti variant of the E36 chassis, it's the smallest and the lightest version of this chassis. It's not one of the most popular platforms based off its looks and its overall proportions. Given the fact that they took a four-door and chopped that in half instead of taking a coupe and chopped that in half, the proportions are a little bit different. The headlights and the side lights on them are actually the same as that of a sedan. The rear tail lights are a completely different variation, and the rear suspension and subframe are that of the E30. And as we move to the interior, that's an extreme deviation from the normal E36 variant. The dashboard is completely shaped different, and the center console, but that's not to say that there's not things to like about it as well. The overall size and compact design of this chassis makes it the perfect candidate for motor swaps. It currently comes with a 1.9 liter four-cylinder engine that makes about 130-140 horses. There's not much to write home about. It's plenty to move the car around, but let's face it, anybody getting one of these cars is not typically planning on keeping that motor in the car. I bring this car up, and I bring it up for a reason. I have recently found something not too far from me, about 2.5 hours away from me, and there's a private seller in Austin, Texas that has a 318 Ti with really good paint, a 5-speed manual with a slipping clutch. So she says the clutch is not functioning properly. It could just be something simple, but that's not a big deal. We can figure that out later. For $1,000, guys. Yeah, $1,000, and it's running and has low miles, guys. So my thinking was, given the fact that my wife just had a baby and I can't really rely on her to drive with me and drive alongside of me with the baby like we used to do when we were younger and go pick this vehicle up and then drive it back, instead of doing that, I'm thinking about going to pick this vehicle up, guys. I'm thinking about driving there myself, or possibly taking a Greyhound bus, or driving there myself and seeing the vehicle and using AAA to send the vehicle home. Tell me what you guys think about this concept, about the car giveaway, or would you just like to see the car worked on in general? I like to think of it as BMW's closest relative to kind of the Mini Cooper. It's kind of in a weird way got the same proportions. I really would like to see that car lined up next to the Mini Cooper. Again, I have enough vehicles right now, but this is the Bimmerdude Garage, and I'm always interested in adding. I've never had one before, and I'd be interested in owning one for a good amount of time before I give it to one of you guys or I sold it. So guys, tell me what you guys think about this. Would you like to see a giveaway on the channel? Would you like to see the car on the channel in general? You know, I want y'all's input. So thank you guys for watching the Bimmerdude channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you leave a comment down below, and make sure you tell your friends to go ahead and watch this video and go ahead and vote, because this is probably going to be happening one way or another, but based off y'all's input, we will decide if this is going to be a giveaway. There might be a small buy-in that gets you an entry. You could possibly win a car for $5. So make sure you share the video with your friend. Make sure you share the video in general. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, and that's all thanks to you guys. So guys, again, thank you for watching the Bimmerdude channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that alert button if you want to be alerted for more videos. So guys, thank you for watching, and as always, peace out and Godspeed, guys.